Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Twitch is a popular streaming platform that features diverse content from creators such as gamers, entertainers, and more. Therefore, it's very common to come across a particular live stream that you want to record so that you can watch it again at your convenience. In this video, I will suggest the best way to record streaming video from Twitch on your Windows PC. Let's go. Sometimes recording your gameplay requires more features than just standard capture. In this case, I personally recommend Movavi Screen Recorder. This is available for both Windows and Mac. To download Video Suite for free, click on the tag in the upper right corner or find the link below for your reference. If you want to change the website language, click the globe button in the upper right corner and choose one. Although Movavi Video Suite is generally a paid software, there is a 7-day free trial version so you can get a feel of how it works before paying for anything. After downloading, run the executable file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. Once installed, launch the Record Computer Screen subprogram to start recording. The Movavi Screen Recorder's control panel appears as a pop-up sidebar menu on the right side of your Windows screen. It is also added to your system tray for easy access. For first-time setup, click the Settings icon in the control panel to modify the recording configurations to your liking. Under the General tab, click each checkbox to enable the configuration described by its label, such as disabling the default countdown or hiding the recording panel. Set your preferred destination folder when saving your recording in the Files menu. Go to the Video tab if you want to adjust your output's frame rate. To show cursor and keystroke activity in your recording, you can enable it in the Effects tab. You can also limit your recording duration and set a specific time range in the Scheduler configuration. Finally, click the OK button to save your changes. Once the recording software is up and running, set up the Twitch live stream that you like to record. Click the Video Camera button in the Movavi control panel to launch the recording screen. Then drag the cursor to set a specific frame on your window, or click the spacebar on your keyboard to capture the entire screen of your computer. After that, you can use the corresponding toolbars to enable each additional feature according to what you need while recording your game. To capture the audio your computer emits or the sound of the window you're playing, make sure the System Audio button on the toolbar is enabled. When everything is ready, click the Record button to finally start recording your screen. Please note that if you are using the free trial version, you will only be able to record for 7 minutes and the output video will have a watermark. During recording, you can also use Movavi's pencil tool to highlight and emphasize certain areas of your gameplay. If you're done recording, click the Stop button on the toolbar. In the pop-up window, you can create some necessary edits such as making a cut, capturing a specific frame, or advanced editing using the Movavi Video Editor. To save the raw output directly, click the Export button. Then rename the file, modify the destination folder, or change the format to your liking. Click the Save button to start the export. Once the file is exported, press the Show in Folder button to view the video directly in the location where you saved it. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.